What's going on? There's some more. Oh, they're back in that tree again. That's funny too. And that tree right there's got red leaves on it still. Must have some kind of fruit or something on it. Look, they turned this little area into a freaking frisbee golf area. Oh, I hear them. There they are. Oh, there's only they're up there on top of that tree. It's an awesome area right here. Yeah, look at all. Like you see a freaking tornado of birds over here. Oh, ooh, what is that? That almost looked like a juvenile eagle. Look at him. He flew right over the top of me. In a way, I almost felt like that first squad of birds came and got my attention, then flew off in this direction, like to this tree. Oh, look, here they come. To this tree here. Wow. Wow, that was awesome. See that? So, as I was just saying, it's almost as if these birds came, got my attention, told me to come down here, check them out, like in a way. It's kind of like how Spider-Man just has the knack for showing up where all the action's at. It's like I get kind of, I call it animal internet. It's legit. Oh, there's another one right there. Yeah, dude, this is awesome. I'm gonna have to check this out one of these days. It's funny, I got the equipment, but I just can't never find the freaking time to play freaking frisbee golf. It's a great little sport. What was I hearing? This holistic medicine dude today was saying, like, basically just going for a walk in the woods actually will it's like helps fight against sickness. I've already come to that realization that it's like it's therapeutic to go out in the woods, because sometimes it's like, look, like if you can't shut off your thoughts, right? It's maybe the thoughts ain't necessarily totally just coming from you, and it might be environmental. And then when you go walk away from the clutter and the noise and the freaking stress for a minute, and your brain shuts up and all the freaking constant, worries and naggings of the mind, when they shut off for a minute, just by refocusing your attention, you'll realize how therapeutic it is when you realize that all of a sudden it's like, whoa, all that stuff I was just tripping about all of a sudden just kind of melted away for a minute. And that's why I think it's therapeutic. Aside from it's just, look, at the same time, it's also exercise. I mean, a lot of things like diet and exercise, man, are like really behind a lot of conditions and issues. Mott Park. Oh, okay. That's where this is. This is what this is called. Oh, yeah, look at that log over there. Yeah, this is freaking awesome. I'm freaking stoked. Found me this over in the bushes. I'm gonna nap that. Man, that's a pretty strong stick there. Nap that. And this bottom piece off there. Oh yeah, look at that. There's a lot of nice old wood over here. Ooh, what's that? Look at that duck. It's like a woodland duck. Oh man, this is a bogus hole right here. It's right next to the freaking river. Ooh, what is that hanging down there? In that bag down there. Yeah, this is going to be a good place to hunt for frisbees. Wonder how many people played out here on this course so far. We normally go out to Richfield Park. I've done Richfield Park quite a few times now with multiple people. Man, that's a cool little plant right here. It's like a bonsai tree. Oh yeah, anyway. Yeah, just basically, yeah. Keep your mind focused on something more positive and productive. It's therapeutic. It's your state of mind. And, you know, it's like if you're in a bad state of mind, you're going to be in a bad mood no matter what. But even if, you know, things ain't going right, but you keep the right attitude about it, it helps in the long run.